Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how to pin and unpin Microsoft Edge in your taskbar from your Windows 11 or 10. So this is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. The very first thing that we have to do is to search on your search bar here, Microsoft Edge. So just right click. So as for my laptop, you will not be able to see add to taskbar, but if you will try into so like for instance with this one, with the word, something like this, pin to taskbar. So in my case, with my Microsoft Edge in here, it does not work like that. So what I'm going to do is to open my Microsoft Edge, then I will go in here in the toolbars, and then for this one I'm going to right click, and then as you can see in here we have the pin to taskbar. So just click that one, and let's try to close this. So it's already pinned here on the taskbar. And then if you want to remove this into your taskbar, then just unpin from taskbar. Okay, so I already clicked the unpin the taskbar. So thank you for watching. So if this was helpful for you, please leave a like to see more video like this.